Hello, welcome to my channel. I have a problem here around my house. I have a lot of this. They are called pavement ants. So they're all over the place. It's tiny ants. They kind of have like brown color. Tiny, so small compared to other ants. So I think their name is a pavement ants because they live on the pavement on the driveway right here, and I have problem all over my house right here. My driveway, they all over the place, and they usually hide under the expansion joint right here between the two pavement right between the two slab right here. So they hide in crevices. And today I'm gonna just do experiment, see if I can get rid of these ants by just using baking soda. Okay. First I'm gonna put the baking soda all around here. I heard that if you like draw a chalk or something like that, you use a chalk, you draw a line all around them, they kind of lost their scent, so they can't find their way around. So instead of using a chalk, I'm going to just using a baking soda. I put all around them. I'm going to put some on top of them, and then I'm going to come back a few hours later, see if this baking soda will work on ants. Try to get rid of them. Okay, let's do it. Put all around them. Now I'm going to put on top of them. So I fill all the gap right here with baking soda. I put all in there. I put on top of them. I guess they're moving out. Look at that. See, we'll force them to move to someplace else. I don't want to, actually kill them. I just want them to move out here. Okay, all right. We're gonna come back a few hours later to check if the ants are still here or they decide to move away. Okay, just an experiment. Well, so this is after about 2-3 hours now. Look at as you can see, there's not many ants left. So baking soda actually works on this one. There's still some around, but there are not many left. Before, you can see like all black here, full of ants. Now only a few of them around. So you can see baking soda actually works. Yep, it's not the most effective way to remove ants, but at least it works. So hopefully they move away from here. Find some place to make their nest. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.